Let me ask you something real. You've got a job, bills are paid, maybe you even drive a decent car. But if you stopped working today, how long would your life stay the same? A month? 2? Because here's the uncomfortable truth most people avoid. Income doesn't decide whether you're rich or poor. Net worth does. And a lot of people who look rich are actually broke on paper. Most people think, if I earn more, I'll be rich. That's wrong. I've seen people earning $30,000 with peace of mind, and people earning $150,000 living one emergency away from disaster. Why? Because wealth isn't about how much comes in. It's about what stays and what grows. Let's simplify this. Your net worth is just one equation. Everything you own minus everything you owe. Cash, investments, property, minus debts, loans, credit cards. That number tells the real story, not your salary, not your lifestyle. Here's something that should wake you up. Over 60% of people in the US, UK, and Canada live paycheck to paycheck, even among high earners. Why? Lifestyle inflation, emotional spending, no long-term plan. That's psychology beating math. Let's talk ranges, not to shame, but to give clarity. Your net worth, below $10,000. This is financial survival mode. Debt controls decisions. Stress is constant. It doesn't mean you're lazy. It means the system is working against you. Your net worth, between $10,000 and $100,000. This is where most people live. You're functioning, but fragile. One job loss, one medical bill, one bad month can knock you down. You're not poor, but you're not free. Your net worth, between $100,000 and $500,000. This is solid middle class. You have assets working for you. Savings, investments, some breathing room. Money stress reduces, but discipline still matters. Your net worth, $500,000 plus. Now things change. Your money starts producing money. Time becomes more valuable than income. This is where freedom begins, not because you're flashy, but because you're secure. Let's say you invest $300 a month on an index fund that returns on an average 8% per annum. In 10 years, around $55,000. In 20 years, over $175,000. Same person, same income, different choices. That's math doing its job, if psychology doesn't sabotage it. Here's why most people never build net worth. Your brain prefers instant reward over long-term gain. New phone now feels better than investing for later. But wealth is built by people who delay gratification consistently. Not perfectly, consistently. And before you say, Mike, I don't earn enough, most wealth isn't built by high earners. It's built by disciplined earners. Income helps, but behavior decides the outcome. Here's what to do starting this week. 1. Calculate your net worth. Face the number. 2. Kill high-interest debt aggressively. 3. Build an emergency fund. 4. Invest consistently, even small amounts. 5. Increase skills, not lifestyle. Do this and your future self will thank you. Wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about living with peace, options, and purpose. So tell me, based on net worth, where are you really today? Comment below. Follow The Biblical Finance for wisdom, strategy, and truth about money, because financial freedom is built intentionally, not accidentally.